Hi, this video is about the Caribou Mathematics Contest. I'm going to show the solution for the November 2015 Grade 7-8 contest, question 24, which also came up in the Grade 9-10 and 11-12 contests. So the question is, an assembly line for making toy cars is scheduled using a diagram like the one shown below. Arrows indicate if an activity has to be finished before the next can start. For example, the body must be molded and the undercarriage assembled before all parts can be painted. A new car can start moving along the assembly line before the previous car is completely finished. However, no more than one car can be at each assembly station at any given time. So the question, let maximum of A and B represent the bigger one of the two numbers A and B, and the min AB, the minimum of A, B, the smaller one of A and B. What is the minimal total time it takes to build one car? Alright, now let's look at this diagram. So here we start, and it has the two arrows going to this activity and an arrow going to this activity. So they both start at the exact same time. Now we can see for the next activity, which is all parts painted, both of these first two activities that are started at the same time both need to be completed before this activity can be started. And that means that we must have the maximum time of this activity and this activity. So since this is A1 and A2 in minutes, we will write the maximum of A1, A2. Okay, so we have the maximum time that it takes for both of those activities to be completed, and then this box starts. And now this box is just on its own, and it is in B minutes, so we can just say plus B. Alright, so after this is done, this then goes to two more activities, which both will start at the exact same time, which is windows installed and wheels oiled. Now again, as we can see, for the next activity, both of these two activities which start at the same time, both must be completed before this activity body put on undercarriage can be started. So again, we must have the maximum of this activity and this activity. So since it's C1 minutes and C2 minutes, we will have plus the maximum of C1 and C2. Okay, and finally, after both of these activities are finished, then body put on undercarriage, this activity then starts, and after this activity is completed, well, then we are finished. So we will just have to add this, since it's D minutes, we will just add D. Okay, now let's look at the options. Well, we can see that it must be option B because we have the maximum of A1, A2, which is shown here. Then we have plus B, which is here, plus the maximum of C1, C2, which is here, and then we have plus the D at the end, which is here. If you'd like to know more about this contest, please feel free to visit our website at caribouttests.com.